What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm trying to step out of the comfort zone thing. I did the whole face reveal and I noticed I was in a video like my side of my face, and it's nice. I've only filmed a couple videos since then, but it's nice to not have to worry about reflections and worry about a lot of other things. So I figured, why not start a video here or there randomly where I could talk about a product or talk about the whole point of the video. Today we're going to be discussing license plate bolts. I don't know how many of you fixate on the little things like I do, but when I purchased my vehicle, one of the things I wanted to make sure I did was change my license plate, because obviously, this example, this used to be on my mom's car. I'll save it probably till I pass away. But you got a million different plates. You get all black ones, there's carbon fiber ones, there's a million different options. But usually when you pick up a car from a dealership, it's got the silly, cheesy, cliche-ass dealership name on your plate, so you take that off. That's step one. So I replaced mine with a silicone one that had the American flag and the stars and stripes on it, because America, awesome, pretty cool, I loved it. Then I noticed that the plate itself had silver bolts. So I went on a spending spree, and I say spending spree very lightly because it wasn't expensive at all. I bought a million different options. I tried them all out to get a black screw. Now, I didn't want a regular black screw. I was kind of looking for a hex. Then the hexes that I did find, I didn't know there were so many different sizes when it came to these bolts. So I just gave up for a little while, and then I realized our good old friends at Etsy, there's always somebody there that's, you know, doing the cuckoo dance like me. So somehow I found this, and I want to try this out. So I don't know about lighting, but these are little, I've tried these before in the past. These are little covers, right? But these are different. Instead of the traditional pop on, where you just like stick it on there, these say they screw on. But this is what got me. They have little toppers. Definitely not gonna be able to make this out because it's too dark. Hold on, I'm gonna fix this. That always fixes it. So, look at that. No way, dude. You can call it cheesy, you can call it whatever you want. I don't think there's anybody actually making this with like real carbon fiber. I don't care, I just want the look, okay? It's all right. It's not a body panel that needs to be lightweight. But apparently these little cap covers go on top of this, and this screws on, and it says use your vehicle's original screw. So I'm gonna cut this open. We're gonna see if this works. So there's your introduction. Let me know down below if this is a format that you like. See my ugly mug in the beginning. I was making so many videos, and I'm like, you know, it would be so much more interesting, so much more entertaining if I was walking around with the camera versus just pointing and my dumb hand going, hoo, ha, 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 doing the Italian thing and just pointing at random shit. How did you guys ever survive the last couple years? I don't know how I survived. Well, I didn't want my face on here, but now I guess, you know, cat's out of the bag, it is what it is. But let's open this up. I'm gonna open up that garage door. The Escalade's parked right there. I'm gonna unscrew one. We're gonna give this a test. If it's a failure, we're gonna post it. If it's a success, we're definitely gonna post it. And I'm excited, let's see what happens. So, like I said, this is the frame I had purchased. It's silicone. Bad lighting. Alright, here we go. And it's got stars and stripes, like America. But this just doesn't vibe. It's not the move. So we're gonna just take one of these off. And first of all, we're gonna just see if the cap even works on it. I have no idea if it's gonna work. Oh, excuse the mess, by the way. You'll see in other videos, I'm having a hell of a situation with formats. and I've got oil that's getting sold to somebody. I've got things that I'm giving away. Microfiber towels I haven't even folded yet. Corset exhaust that hasn't gone in yet. That's going on this Saturday. Today's Wednesday. Then I got a Rotofab intake that's going on in Neverwary, whenever the hell that's gonna be. Nightmare, right? Oh, and I still have these, which you'll see them in another video, but I don't wanna ruin too much about that because I'm quite excited about that. Apparently I just got a text message from my wife that my daughter's pissed off at me that the chicken that she said she didn't want to eat, I ate. I don't know how that makes any sense, but you know, daddy's wrong all the time. Alright, so these feel actually pretty good. Let me shut this door. It's actually frigid outside. These actually feel pretty awesome quality wise. I love. It's not cheap plastic. No way. This feels nice. Some weird coating inside. Just a little message too. I am very lazy lately. I don't know why. I have such a good camera setup. I mean it. Like, I'm not even just joking with you. I swear. I have an A7 IV. I've got cages on that. I got an A7R5 there. I've got lenses lining back. I've got tripods everywhere, microphones everywhere, camera bags everywhere, more tripods everywhere, drones. I've got all this stuff that I'm trying to organize and get to a point where I can just grab and go and record more, because the video quality that I had on that A7 IV is unreal. You'll see that eventually when I post the surgery video, you'll see that I have, it was an unbelievable amount of quality. You could just tell. And the A7R5 I did not obviously buy for video. That was going to be dedicated to my still image. But the thing I don't like about the A7 IV is it does a crop, and eventually what's going to happen is I'm going to have that as like a backup camera, pick up an A7S III, likely when the A7S IV comes out, because I'll never need something skills wise or demand wise. I don't have a reason for that. But the A7S III checks all the boxes. So this right here is going to go through, and then basically I'm just going to put this first, put it through, and then this is just going to be a cover. So it does indeed, I mean, you're not going to have to worry about this moving because it's going to be snug. This does indeed work. It's going to be, I just hope it looks cool. So I don't do returns anyway. I don't want to have to go through the hassle of that. Let's just see before I even go through with all of this. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I think it's gonna be cool, and I like that it can turn. Get out of there. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a swab real quick, spray some IPA just to give the tops a little good wipe down on these, and then it'll stick better, so I don't have to worry about that falling off. It's all the little things we do in life, the little mods that no one's ever gonna really see. I'll see it, I'll know it's done, and the very few people that see my videos on YouTube, they'll know it's done too. So, let's get this. If you want, I will, I'll link these down below. You know what's crazy? I think it has a protective covering on the other side too. Hold on. I'm pretty sure it does. There's no way. Oh, it does. Yo, that's what I like to see. That's crazy. Hold on. How in the hell? Okay, hold on. How satisfying is that? Look at that. Hold on. I bought something. You're not even gonna believe it. I bought this, okay? These are like primo tweezers. Don't even ask, alright? But look at this. This might be like maybe the most epic thing that I'll ever do on this whole channel. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God. What? Look at that. Dude. What? What did I just find? I find the most random crap. You kidding me? That's crazy. Had to take a picture of that. That's absolutely crazy. What goes on? I'm officially, color me impressed. After it's done. So you don't really have a chance to scratch anything up or do anything like that. That's crazy. Nuts. You know, at first when I was looking at this, I was like, why the hell didn't they just do this? And I'm sorry. Maybe some people are lazy. I definitely had that vibe. I did. But I find this to be extremely awesome. This is crazy. So we're going to install this right now, but what you're going to do is make sure you start it out like this. And then we're going to put it on the car, and then we're just going to screw the cap in. What the hell is going on here? Okay. Let's just hope we get enough bite. Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So, excuse the wind, I don't care. No way. Alright, I want to be super honest. Not a lot of mods lately, or ever, seem to work out for me. This is incredible right now. These are so cool. They stick out a tiny bit, but yo, I don't care. That's awesome. Stop, bro. Look at that. They're so nice. They're snug. This is like one of the best products I've ever found. Yo, my plate is so snug. There's no looseness ever. What? I'm
I'm speechless.
All right, well, that's it. I don't know right now. I'm part speechless, and that's a hard thing to accomplish because I don't ever really shut up. That looks awesome. That went on very awesome. The snugness, there's no looseness. The plate, I'm confident in how that looks and feels. I have no complaints. I rarely have no complaints. You follow this channel, you know I have complaints. Complaints, that's how I stay in business. I complain about stuff, but it's critiquing, I guess, more than complaining. I have no critiques, none. I'm done. I'm gonna link that down below. I personally think this is a great option instead of going out and worrying about bolt size and trying to find this and that. I mean, yeah, somebody could possibly take that, but yeah, somebody could take the whole car. So somebody could take your wheels, and they're cutting catalytic converters off of people's shit. So I mean, anything could happen. So if you're worried about that, then you got a lot of other problems, and you should probably move. But I think that's a super freaking cool option. I'm happy that it worked out. I'm happy I get to share it with you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you in every way. Thank you so much. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. And I'll see you guys on the next one.